Good day, friends. Today we'll be moving to a new topic in chemistry titled relative molecular masses. What is relative molecular masses? Relative molecular masses is just the sum of all the relative atomic masses in a molecule of a compound. So we have a question on the board. Calculate the relative molecular masses of each of the following compounds. We are given the first one, ammonium sulfate. We have iron sulfate, heptahydrate, and you have sodium chloride. Let's look at the first one, ammonium sulfate. We are given nitrogen is 14, hydrogen is 1, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16, iron is 56, sodium is 23, and chlorine is 35.5. So what we do is just to add in the individual relative atomic masses of the element. So we have the first one, nitrogen, and ammonium sulfate. So we can see that ammonium is having an atom of 2. So we have 2 into bracket. We have nitrogen. Nitrogen is giving us 14 plus, we have hydrogen is having an atom of 4. That means 4 times 1. This 4 times 1 plus, we have sulfur. Sulfur is 32. So that is the end of ammonium. So you close the bracket. We have sulfur is 32 plus our oxygen having an atom of 4. That's 4 times oxygen is 16. So we can finish it off. We have 2 into bracket. That's 14 plus 4 times 1, 4 plus 32 plus 4 times 16, that's 64. So if we finish it off, 14 plus 4, that's 18. 18 times 2, that's 36 plus 32 plus 64. So if we add this very well, we have 36 plus 32 plus 64. You have 132. So you can say 132 gram per mole. So gram per mole. So we have Roman figure, that's the B part. We have iron sulfate, heptahydrate. So we have the first one is iron. Iron is 56. We have sulfur is 32. Oxygen is having an atom of 4. We have plus 4 times 16. We put it in brackets to avoid the confusion. Plus, we have 7 water. We have 7. We put it in the large bracket. So water is having, hydrogen is having an atom of 2. That's 2 times 1 plus oxygen. Oxygen is just 16. So if we finish that up, we have 56 plus 32 plus 4 times 16. That's 64. 64 plus 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 16, 18. 18 times 7. 18 times 7 is 126. So when we add this very well, we have 56. We have 56 plus 32 plus 64 plus 126. So the result is 278 gram per mole. So that's how to calculate the relative molecular masses. So let's see in the comment section the solution to sodium chloride. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.